In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Fresha. Whether you're moving your business to a new spot or updating your service area, staying current on Fresha is crucial for attracting and retaining clients. Let's take a detailed journey through this process, ensuring you know exactly how to update your business location swiftly and accurately. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Fresha for Business page. Open your preferred internet browser and in the search bar type https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This link will direct you to the specific section of Fresha designed for business users like yourself, ensuring you're starting in the right place. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, look for the login button, click on it. This action will prompt you to enter your credentials, but before you can do that, you'll select for business to make sure you're accessing the correct type of account. This is incredibly important to ensure you're managing the business side of things and not just a personal account. After selecting for business, the next step involves how you'll sign in. Here you'll click on sign in using Google. This is a convenient option for those who prefer to use their Google accounts for business applications, as it streamlines the login process and keeps everything connected. Now, from the list of Google accounts presented, choose the one associated with your Fresha business account. It's crucial to select the correct account to avoid any confusion or missteps in the process. Upon successfully logging in, your next destination is the settings section of your business profile. You can navigate there by following the provided link or simply looking for the settings option within the Fresha interface. This part of the site is where you can adjust various aspects of your business profile, including, of course, your location details. Within settings, locate and click on the business setup option. This area is designed to guide business owners through the initial setup or subsequent adjustments to their business information on Fresha, making it straightforward to make changes as your business grows or shifts gears. After selecting business setup, your next click will be on locations. This is where Fresha lists all the locations associated with your business. If you operate in more than one spot or have moved, this is where you can manage those details. Within the location section, you'll find an Actions button next to each listed location. Clicking Actions brings up a menu of things you can do with that location listing. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll select View to inspect the details of the presumed location you wish to edit. After reviewing the location details, look for and click on the Edit button under Business Location. This is where the real magic happens, allowing you to adjust, refine, or completely change the location information for your business. It's a simple but powerful tool for keeping your clients informed. In the location editing section, you're free to update your address or make any necessary adjustments to how your business location appears on Fresha. This might include suite numbers, building names, or even corrections to the street address. Fresha uses this information to guide clients to your correct location, so accuracy here is key. Finally, after you've made the necessary changes to your location, it is imperative to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it. This will ensure all the updates you've made are applied and visible to your clients on Fresha. To sum up, updating your business location on Fresha involves a sequential process of logging in, navigating through the settings to your business locations, and making precise edits. Remember also to save your changes to keep everything up to date. Following these steps will ensure that your business information is not only accurate but also beneficial in driving and maintaining client engagement. Staying current on Fresha helps your clients find you easily, contributing significantly to your business's success. Thank you for following along, and here's to your continued success on Fresha.